Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So I happened to find myself in this beautiful community and I just had to share it with you guys. So the name of this community is Jordan B. That's the name I know. I don't know if there's any other name. You can put it in the comment section. It's very close to Asankragwa, more like a suburb of Asankragwa. And this area is developing very fast. For an area without electricity, the rate at which people are building is very fast. And the type of buildings being built in this area is mind-blowing. You can have a look at this building I'm about to show you, this building right here. Look at the architecture. This is a nice building, and there are similar buildings around. So you'll be taking a look around the community. So this area used to be a teak and rubber plantation. So you can find a lot of teak trees around this area. And as time went on, the lands kept being sold and people started their building projects. And during the course of this video, you will see a lot of buildings being brought up. So you can see building projects ongoing at different stages. And the information gathered shows that as at the time we are recording this video, a plot of land over here goes for 30,000 Ghana cedi. And apparently most of the lands here have been sold, so it's undeveloped because of the electricity which isn't available in the area. So once electricity is applied to this area, I tell you the rate of development will triple and the lands left will be sold out. So if you have any plans of getting land at this area, look sharp. So over here you can see some of the buildings. Some are actually living here with their generators and their plants supplying them electricity, and they are comfortably living here. So if you're someone who really enjoys living in a green environment, I think this area is for you. Try and get a land and start your project. So guys, this brings us to the end of our tour of Jordan B. Don't forget to like, leave a comment and subscribe. It really helps the channel to grow. Subscribe, it doesn't cost anything to click on the red button. I love you all and see you in the next video.